Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. I just made a video how to create this. Now we're going to create one with like 3 of them or maybe even 4. I'm going to take my ellipse, hit P, take another ellipse and hit P. That's a little bit big. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and it'll grow from the inside out. And then I'm going to select these 2 just like I did in the previous video. I'm going to hit R and put it to the right. Now, in the other video, I made a measurement from here to here. We could still do that. So let's take the parallel dimension tool, and you have to go from the quadrant to the quadrant. If you don't, it's not perpendicular, and you'll get a little bit off. So we're 14.23. So I'm going to make it another ellipse, and this probably isn't that important in this case. 14.23. And hit enter. And then I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to go ahead and use the Alt key to select these 2, but the Alt key helps you select anything it touches. This time I'm going to go T for top. And then I'm going to go L for left. Well, that's not really going to work. We're going to manually move that. Whoop, we don't want to do that. Maybe just be better just to manually move this thing to that edge. And over here, it doesn't really matter because we're just trying to get this segment. And hopefully I can get 3 of them in there. Let's go a little bit higher. We're making this tail a little shorter. Now we need to see and see we're not quite there. So I'm going to grab the pick tool and I'm going to just have those 2 lines meet. Now if we take the Smart Fill tool, or the virtual segment delete key and delete that. And if we hit our Smart Fill tool now, we have that shape. Let's go in and just select both these and delete them. Move this out of the way, take this back, delete it, put this back. I'm just nudging with my arrow keys. Now we're going to go ahead and, I'm going to just use the same color because it looks pretty good. Now what we can do, we're going to bring in our indexing lines. They're still in the center of the page. And you can see we should be able to get 3 of them in there. So Control D, hit this X right here and move your center rotation to there. And so this time, instead of rotating 120 or 180, we're going to do 120. Whoop. You need to do 120, Doug. And then Control D. Corel does that sometimes. Just Control D again. Double click on the rotations there, and we'll go 240. So now you have 3 of them in that circle. And if we take the black box, it'll really make it stand out and really show off. Go in and undo the indexing line, fill the black box with black, go up to Object, Order, Backup Page. And there you have. Now, one thing I really wish I would have done, and let's back up here. Before I rotate this, let's get rid of these 2. And let's bring our indexing lines back. Instead of duplicating it, I'm going to go to Edit and clone it. And then I'm going to move the center to the center. And I'm going to rotate it 120. And then Control D. Now, if we put the black box now, let's turn off the indexing line. Take the black box, make it black, Object, Order, Backup Page. This is our control curve. So now I can get the index, and let's zoom in quite a bit. Let's take our interactive fill tool again. It's still active on there, and we could change it completely. Look at that. I'm changing all of them. And you could add more yellow, here, add another orange here, and get you a total different look. That looks pretty good. It doesn't really look like a circle, but it is. Anyway, and you could do it smaller and do 4 or even more. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.